Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Uzair and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important parts of the Microsoft Power Platform, Dataverse. If you're new to Power Apps or Power Automate, you must heard of this word, but maybe you're still confused about what it really is. So don't worry, in this video I will explain Dataverse in simple words and also show you the difference between the Canvas app, model-driven app, and Power Pages. So, what is Dataverse? Let's start with the basic. Microsoft Dataverse is a cloud-based database that stores your business data in a secure and structured way. Think of it like a smart storage system where all your apps and workflow can use the same data without creating duplicates. So the best part is Dataverse come with a built-in security, relationships, business rules, and it connects perfectly with the whole Power Platform. So now you may ask, why do we even need Dataverse? Well, if your business apps use Excel files or SharePoint, things may things get messy very quickly. Dataverse solve this by giving you a single source of truth for your data, scalable performance for small and large businesses, integration with the Dynamic 365 and Microsoft 365 apps, and AI features which are built right in. So instead of data being scattered everywhere, everything lives in one reliable place. Now let's talk about types of app. So there are three main ways you can build apps on top of Dataverse. First of all, Canvas app. You start with a blank canvas and design your app freely, just like designing a PowerPoint slide. You control the layout, design, and user experience. Number two, model-driven app. Here the app is automatically created based on your data and processes. It's more structured and great for your business scenarios like case management, sales, or customer service. Number third, Power Pages, previously known as Portal as well. So these allow you to build external facing website that connect with your Dataverse data. For example, a customer support portal or the vendor registration site. Now the question is, which one should you use? So which app type is best for your scenario? You can use Canvas app when you want flexibility and control over design. You want you should use model-driven app when you need structured business processes and use Power Pages when you want to share data with the customers or partners outside your organization. In many cases, companies use all three together for different scenarios. So here's the quick introduction to the Dataverse and the difference between the Canvas app, model-driven app, and the Power Pages. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the more Power Platform tutorials. If you want to connect with me, you'll find all my social media and website link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.